Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing LearnDash to Teachable. Which one is probably the best choice for you? I think I've got some great insights. I think you're going to find this video really useful if you're looking at both of these products to build your first course. I will be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So you're looking at LearnDash and you're comparing it to Teachable, and you just really don't know which one to choose. I think I've got some great info for you, if that's you, in this video. Now, I think LearnDash is a really fantastic product. You've got to utilize WordPress with it. LearnDash is a powerful plugin which adds the course creation and layout for you, provides quizzes, gives you a framework, and you set up your WordPress website, you install the plugin, and then you can start building your courses. Now, there are a few more hoops compared in some ways to Teachable, but these hoops aren't that particularly difficult. And you get the great benefit of real ownership, digital sovereignty. You have much more control and ownership. You do have to get hosting, and you will need, if you're looking for a great looking front website, you need to add some additional plugins. One of those is Cadence WP, and they've got a great library of starter themes, and you probably need a plugin to help you with the marketing automation. If you go and have a look at WP-Tonic, we not only provide great hosting and great support, we provide all these plugins as part of the package at a great price. Like I say, when it comes to the design, you'll be able to build a much better looking website with LearnDash on WordPress. Now, when it comes to Teachable, its great strength is that most of the functionality is in one place, and it's a reasonably easy to use interface. It is restrictive. After you, I think if you initially use it, it's quite easy to build a course and get something up and running. They do provide some website templates. In no shape or form are they as flexible, and the choice is much more limited if you go with LearnDash with WordPress. I don't think anybody could dispute that if they're really trying to give you some honest advice. But if you're a real beginner, there is less hoops to jump through than with LearnDash. But on the other hand, when you start your membership and you're in your first couple of months, you're probably going to start to get a little bit frustrated by the limitations of Teachable. You're going to want to customize things and adapt them to your own student base and the requirements of your membership website. And that's when you're going to start hitting some brick walls with a SaaS-based system like Teachable. Now, when it comes to price, Teachable has nothing compared to LearnDash. LearnDash for one website is $199 a year. Obviously, you're going to say to me, yes, but Jonathan, Teachable offers a free plan, and they do. But every sale that you make, you're going to be charged 10% on top of the Stripe fee, which is around 2.9. So in the end, you're going to be paying almost 15% out of every sale before any money gets to you. Their next plan up which you don't pay the 9% on, starts at $39 and then it goes up. Now, at WP-Tonic, you get LearnDash as part of the hosting, and our hosting, if you pay annually, our starter plan starts at around $35 a month. Plus, you get a ton of extra plugins, services, all bundled with your hosting platform, your hosting. So it's great value. If you don't go with WP-Tonic, it's still great value compared to something like Teachable. Plus, I can't emphasize you're getting all the ownership, all the access to a much better designed front end of the website, and the ability to do gamification, do more complicated quizzes. You get that all with LearnDash. I've written a great article about this that goes into all this in a lot more detail, goes into the prices, a lot more of the options. You'll find the link to that article in the video description underneath. You can also go to the WP-Tonic website and book a free chat with me, and we can go through some of the more options if you're looking to host your membership, your course website on WordPress. And I've got to be frank, I think you should do that. I think with all the factors I've outlined, the only thing that Teachable's got is it's initially a little bit easier to set up. But on the other hand, if you host with WP-Tonic, we give you a ton of support and we set it all up for you anyway. So you can start building out your course anyway. Hopefully you found this useful. If you did, ring that bell and subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate if you do subscribe to the channel. I'm making these videos multiple times every week over all the subjects that you will probably find really useful. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.